If you're experiencing verification issues on iCloud after several failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause verification issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Step 2. Update your device. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date. Go to the settings menu and check for any available updates. Installing the latest software can fix bugs that may be causing the verification issues. Step 3. Reset your password. If you suspect that your password may be incorrect, try resetting it. Go to the Apple ID account page, select Forgot Apple ID or Password, and follow the prompts to reset your password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 4. Verify your Apple ID. Log into your Apple ID account page to verify that your account is active and that all information is correct. Check for any alerts or messages regarding your account status that may need your attention. Step 5. Contact Apple support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Apple support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any account-related issues that may be causing the verification problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification issues on iCloud and regain access to your account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from Apple support.